2020 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, convertible soft top, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?